Hi everybody, this is Matthew Moore from Boston, Massachusetts, and today I'm going to be running through Project Zero titled Search for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So I'm just going to kind of go through my website, my project, just kind of based on the structure of the specification instead of going through the pages one by one. So the first part of the specification is that your website should have at least 3 pages, one for Google search, which is this home page here, one for images, and one for Google advanced search. So we have all 3 of these options here. And in the upper right-hand corner of each page, there is links to the other 2 pages. Actually using the home page of this Google search, so this is specification number 2, query text. You can see that when we type in, for example, Harvard, and we type Google search, in the bar up here, we have a Google search query with Q equal to Harvard. And we'll go back onto specification number 3, query images. So if we go to the images page, and again, we search for Harvard and hit Google search, we now see that the query is Q equals Harvard and TBM equals ISCH, which I imagine stands for image search. And that gives us pictures of Harvard, as we'd expect. Onto the 4th part of the specification, query advanced. So on the advanced search part of the website, we have these 4 options for advanced search, so we can find pages with all of these words. So let's say Python, this exact word or phrase, CS50, any of these words, web, and none of these words, Ruby. And so if we do an advanced search, we can see that we get this nice Google advanced search up here. And the first thing that pops up is CS50's web programming through edX. So we'll go back again onto the 5th part of the specification, appearance. So like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically. So that's exactly what you see here. I don't think the appearance is exactly like Google's, but it's pretty close. And we even have the blue advanced search button with white text. Back to the home page here, the I'm feeling lucky button. So if we just click I'm feeling lucky, that takes us to google.com/doodles. I guess that's just what Google feels like serving us when we click it with no search parameters. But if we go to Harvard and hit I'm feeling lucky, Google does just warn us that there's a redirect, but I'll hit yes, okay. And you can see that takes us to Harvard's website. And finally, the aesthetics. So the CSS you write should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. So we have Google's logo here, the rounded search bar. When you hover, it has a background shadow to it. When you hover over the buttons, you have a little bit of background color changing going on. And then in the Google Images page, you have the logo, but with this nice little images text down here. And finally, for the advanced search, we already saw the appearance of this is very similar to Google's own advanced search page. And that's it. Thanks for watching.